But let's get right into it. Let's go right into our stormcast for tonight. 9 to 10 o'clock, we're looking at a snow chance arriving for north and northeast Nebraska. That's going to continue into the early morning hours on Monday. Now we're looking at about 6 a.m. Monday, still seeing that snow mainly up north, but south of the I-80, southeast Nebraska, seeing rain and that mixed chance. That green is rain, even that pink is a little bit more of a mix. That's going to turn into less rain, more mix in a couple of hours before the morning, and then after that, early morning is chance for rain and mix. Mid-morning is when we really start to see that snow for parts of eastern and southeastern Nebraska, and that's going to take us throughout the day on Monday. You'll even notice it kind of starts to shift a little bit more throughout Monday night to the east. It just lingers over eastern Nebraska and parts of central Nebraska as well. And then by Tuesday overnight, we're looking at now 3 a.m. we're still seeing that snow continuing overnight from Monday into Tuesday morning, and that's going to bring along with it a chance throughout 6 a.m. and then it makes its way quickly off towards about noon. So we're actually seeing a warning that goes from about 6 a.m. Monday into noon Tuesday, and that's because that chance quickly makes its way off into Iowa for most of the state, leaving not many of us seeing any snow. But we know we're going to see snow, so just how much? Right now we did update it just slightly. We had 4 to 6 yesterday, now we're putting it at 4 to 8 inches plus. There are some areas that could see over 8 inches, some isolated areas. We also did expand it for covering some parts, a majority of eastern Nebraska, and even some more extended just west a little bit more. As more west you go, though, you're going to see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, even a trace more in the panhandle. We're also expecting to see our wind speeds. It's going to be windy on Monday, but it's really going to be windy on Tuesday. It's going to start to increase a little bit more. We'll see anywhere from 40 to 50-mile-per-hour wind speeds from the northwest, and that's going to continue on over throughout the day on Tuesday before slowly starting to calm down. But this was also updated since last time we talked. We did see that we had a winter storm watch, and now we're looking at a winter weather advisory through midnight Monday through 6 a.m. Tuesday. That's for that light purple, and that's because they're going to be seeing lighter snow totals and even some lighter wind speeds. We're looking at a winter storm warning through midnight tonight through 6 a.m. on Tuesday, and that's for more of those central and northeastern counties. And then we're also looking at a winter storm warning through 6 a.m. Monday through noon, and that's for those eastern and even some southeastern counties, for Lincoln included in that, and that goes till noon on Tuesday because we saw in that stormcast it makes its way off just in time for noon. And tomorrow we're also going to be seeing our temperatures start to be a little bit cool. We're not going to warm up too much. In fact, we'll be kind of hanging around freezing. 33 expected for Lincoln. We're going to be seeing that mixed snow chance throughout Monday, and that's going to carry on over into Tuesday as well. And again, those wind speeds on Tuesday are going to be really blustery, really windy. We're also looking at a late chance arriving for Wednesday. Otherwise, most of Wednesday is going to be partly cloudy, dry, very similar to what we saw for Sunday. And we're also looking at seeing a smaller chance arriving later on this week for Friday, and much cooler temperatures at that. So we're going to continue to watch this storm as it approaches tonight all the way through Tuesday and those cooler temperatures.
Sounds good. Thank you so much, Krista.